Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with unfortunate news. I'm sure some of you may have heard, maybe not, but the Got J Gathering of the Juggalos 2024 digital tickets was hacked. That's right. The first year they decided to do digital tickets, they got hacked. And only a handful of us, and yes, I say us, was affected by it. There's a lot of people that didn't buy their tickets yet, or bought after the whole process and it was caught and whatnot. But people like me were not fortunate when we woke up to this email. Now, I'm going to leave this up here for y'all to read a little bit of it, and I might read some of it with you guys. But this is what I woke up to and went into a panic and started freaking out, man. Like, mad. For those of you that don't know, this is my first year getting to go to the gathering. In all the years past, it just has not worked out with work or money or a ride or just something. I've been able to go to some concerts and stuff, but never the gathering. So, go figure. My luck, right? Man. So, yeah. In this, it says, well, we want you to do one of three things. Report it, get your money, reorder your ticket. They swear that now, for sure, it cannot happen again. And it makes you kind of uneasy. Like, how am I supposed to deal with this? How am I supposed to trust? And even though they're cordial, I wish there was more on their part. Like, they know in good faith that we tried to buy these tickets. No, I don't want a free ride in or nothing like that. If I got the money back, I'd send it. To top it off, PayPal is who I went through to make the purchase initially. And PayPal tells me, I will show you this. It says, please contact Muhammad, blah, 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 blah. It would be easier in helping get your process. They're the people that ripped off Got-J. Like, what? And it wasn't letting me, like, do nothing about it. And then I found a way to escalate it. So now PayPal is in charge of contacting them. And I have also contacted my bank, explained the same situation, sent copies of this email, the numbers and stuff to call, and now I'm strapped, y'all. Like, November is obviously well past August, and my bank said roughly it could take up to 45 days. That's definitely pushing it. And I know some people are like, well, why don't you just buy it again? Well, $250 to some people is nothing, no money. For me, laugh all you will, but I was taking $10 a week out of my paychecks for the last 3 months to be able to afford it, to be able to go. It's, man, I'm upset, to say the least. I really, really hope this works out. I hope something works for me. I hope PayPal or my bank gets the money back for me. And then I don't know if I'm going to, like, wait to just pay at the gate and you have to pay $15 extra, or, you know, take my chances again and re-get my tickets online. Like, I do not know what to do with it. I'm so hurt, confused, and I have no idea. No idea what to do. So, we're gonna play it by ear. I'm gonna try to start, like, I'm saving up again, but I doubt I can get that much money saved up again. And we'll go from there, I guess. And I'm not the only one. I don't know. From what I know, there's 15, 20, 30, probably even more of us that actually got. Just the one that's posting about it because I'm mad. So, updates on that, let me know in the comments. If you were one of them, if you got bamboozled, did you get your money back? Are you still waiting? If you was in this position, homie, what would you do? At any rate, I still got love for y'all, and till next time, tell somebody else you love them. Some people feeling it right now, and they need it. Whoop, whoop.